You know, some of the most shocking discoveries in science history weren't planned at all. They were complete accidents, and nowhere is this more true than in the deepest, darkest parts of our planet. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, teams of scientists and engineers sent cameras down, searching for one thing, but they ended up finding something else entirely. These are the stories of incredible deep ocean creatures that were discovered purely by accident. Imagine you're part of a deep-sea exploration team. You're not looking for life. Maybe you're testing brand new underwater equipment, or mapping a remote section of the ocean floor, or even just repairing a busted deep-sea internet cable. You're staring at a grainy monitor, watching the robotic arm do its work, when something flickers at the edge of the light. Suddenly, a strange movement catches your eye in the pitch-black darkness. What appears on the screen doesn't match any known species. It's a creature with glowing organs that pulse with an eerie light. Or maybe it has a completely transparent body, so you can see right through it. Unfamiliar, ghost-like shapes drift into view, illuminated for just a moment before disappearing back into the abyss. These discoveries weren't part of any mission objective. They were completely and totally unexpected. Some of these accidental encounters are just mind-blowing. One famous incident happened when a remotely operated vehicle, or ROV, was thousands of feet down. The camera operator spotted this bizarre, jelly-like creature with no visible organs, just sort of floating there, somehow surviving the immense, crushing pressure. It was like something out of a science fiction movie. Another time, during a geological survey, the camera caught a fish with jaws that could extend way out from its face, and its skin was so thin it was practically like glass. These animals weren't what the scientists were looking for. They just happened to be in the right place at the wrong time or the right time, depending on how you look at it. Each one of these chance encounters proves just how unexplored and mysterious the deep ocean truly is. It's a humbling reminder that there's a whole world down there we know almost nothing about. So why do so many of these discoveries happen by accident? Well, it's simple. Humans very, very rarely visit these depths. We've explored more of the surface of the moon than we have our own ocean floor. It's estimated that over 80% of our ocean remains completely unexplored, unmapped, and unobserved. Sending a mission to these extreme environments is incredibly expensive and difficult. So, most of the footage we get from the deep sea comes from missions with other goals like geology or industry. These accidental encounters with unknown life forms are critical. They remind scientists that entire ecosystems, with their own unique rules and inhabitants, exist just beyond our reach, waiting to be found. Each accidental glimpse is a clue pointing toward a vast, hidden biology we're only just beginning to understand. And here's something that will really send a chill down your spine. Some of the footage captured by these deep-sea cameras is unsettling. It shows more than just identifiable new species. Sometimes, there are just shadows, huge shapes moving just beyond the edge of the camera's light. They're too large, they move too fast, and the image is just too unclear to get a positive identification. We can speculate all day about what they might be, but the truth is, we just don't know. Are they known creatures behaving in strange ways? Or are they something else entirely, something so massive or so elusive that we've never managed to get a clear look? Whatever they are, they remain hidden in the dark, watching from a world we can barely touch, for now. The ocean doesn't give up its secrets easily, it guards them in darkness and pressure. But every now and then, sometimes just by sheer luck, it reveals a tiny piece of the puzzle. And what we discover in those accidental moments serves as a powerful reminder of how little we truly know about our own planet and how much is still out there, waiting to be found. Thanks for watching. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of the deep, make sure to subscribe for more.